Alright. Alright. First shot on goal. Brewers. That's not a good sign at all. What the hell, bro? Terrible! No penalty? Of course, referees are going to team against us in this game. Oh my god. Okay, this is what Kreider needs to be better, bro. I hope he gets traded. And they score! Rangers is terrible with defense, and it leads to Avalanche scoring first.